doing? Say what? Say what? Say what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Darius Riddick here, aka Reddi the Lion, aka the Elite Athlete, and welcome to the Lion's Kitchen. What our goal is here to take you millions of recipes out there that are just lying out there waiting to be reaped and show you exactly what they look like. So today, I'm going to be showing you my recipe for a CHOCO-CADO Muscle Shake. That's right, this is going to be a healthy protein shake that's going to be freaking delicious. And, you know, it's one of those combinations that you would never think would actually be delicious. So, I'm going to help you all out. All right, as you can see here, we have all our ingredients prepared, and all of these you can find at your local Walmart, your Food Lion, your grocery store, your commissary, wherever you may be in the world, you will find these ingredients there. And yeah, just switching up how you want to, but this is what I recommend. This is what I found to be the best combination because I've gone through hundreds, and this is delicious. All right, so check them out. Here they are. First off, let's talk about equipment, okay? Equipment, get out the way. A blender. The best protein shakes are made in a blender. Don't mind how dirty mine is. I eat up this thing all the time. Mind your business. Right? This is what you're gonna need, okay? This is gonna blend everything up nice and fine. That way we drink it, no clumps. That's weird, we don't like that, right? We wanna drink our protein shakes, not eat it, okay? Next up, what the hell? I'm missing my lid. No, I'm not. Here it is. For this. We don't even need a blender ball in this, okay? But we're gonna need our blender ball because how else are we gonna drink it? We're gonna drink it out of a cup? What are we, peasants? We don't drink out of cups. We drink out of blender bottles, like gangsters. All right? And wow, that's it. These are what you're gonna need to make your protein shake possible, okay? Equipment. Oh, okay. Next we need our actual ingredients. So what I have right here is powdered Splenda, right? I put it all in this little baggie here because personally your boy don't like actual sugar because it gets me all hyper, and I'm already hyper enough, right? So I use Splenda, a little bit of sweetener, low-cal, whatever you need to make it right for you, okay? Well, we ain't gonna talk about that one yet. Come on, these are our main ingredients. We gonna need, okay, avocados. How else are we gonna make a CHOCO-CADO shake? We need our avocados, right? This is where we're gonna get our healthy fats from, and this is what's gonna give us the consistency of an actual CHOCO-CADO muscle shake. Bam! Next, PB2. Now the reason why I use PB2 is because of this guy right here. If you can see it, 90% less fat. Holy shit, that is amazing, okay? The less fat, the better with this guy because these are in real peanut butter. They add all those preservatives, all that grody stuff that's gonna make you feel all groggy and, you know, that's gonna take away our abs, and we don't want that. So PB2 is the way to go. Still high in protein, low in calories, low in carbs, but goddamn, it's delicious. All right, next up, a little vanilla extract to top it on there just to make it a little bit sweeter. It's gonna be good too. All right, this is actually another one of our huge ingredients right here, okay? This is cocoa powder, not cacao, right? Not 100% cocoa, none of that weird stuff. This is cocoa powder. You can bake with it or drink with it, okay? Now, make sure you get something that has flavor to it, because if you get that other cacao stuff, got some bad news for you. Your shake is gonna be gross. For those of you that are really lactose sensitive, like myself, I'm not lactose sensitive at all. You know, I can drink straight from a cow. I mean what? So this is like the baby right here, okay? Vanilla almond milk unsweetened, okay? Again, no preservatives. It takes out that sugar aspect of it, but we still have our low-cal sweetener. It's not actual milk. It's made from almonds, I think. So we won't get all those bubble guts for those of you that are lactose sensitive. All right? That's important. We need that, guys. Well, you can use lactate. You can even use whole milk. You can use whatever your heart desires. But I recommend unsweetened vanilla and almond milk by Blue Diamond. Let's slide this from the back here. This is our little baby. This is Graves Pro by SOAL Athletics, right? So this is joint support, right? And can relieve discomfort, improve your flexibility, and then improve your joint discomfort. Okay, so if you have problems with your joints and stuff like that, this is really going to help add to it, right? You can take half a serving, or if you're feeling real gangster, you can take a full serving. Basically, what we're going to do is going to crack these bad boys in once we get it all there, right? But we won't got to worry about that yet. But remember, you can get yours at that link right there. The link is also going to be in the description, so check it out. All right, and for the piece de resistance, okay? Reddi Whip. Really does our Reddi Whip make for a good Saturday night, but it is also going to add that nice little touch to the top of our shake, all right? Who said you can't have your whipped cream and eat it too, all right? I can. I say it. Change my mind, because you can. Bam. All right, so that's all our ingredients, right? I'm going to list them out in the description as well. Make sure this is all you have. It seems really long, but I mean, what's 10 ingredients? And this is what's going to give us our perfect shake. Now, we're going to actually get into putting it in the proper order to avoid those clumps, to make sure we get the taste right, and to enjoy our delicious CHOCO-CADO Muscle Shake. Step numero uno. Get. What the hell? What the hell is this? Wardrobe malfunction. Now that we got that situated, right, make sure your blender's ready. You're gonna take your vanilla almond milk. It's brand new, get that in there. What you're gonna do is 10 ounces. Now, if you measure something else, I don't know, but my blender has measurements on it, so we're gonna do, get all up in there, 1 1/4 cups of milk, right? 1/2 cup of water to lighten the milk load. Dig into your protein. 2 scoops, not 1, not 3, 2 scoops. Get all on in there. 1, bam. Like Chef Curry with the sauce, boy. 2, bam. Right. Before we go any further, grab a utensil, mix this bad boy up. 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of your cocoa powder. Bam. Nice. Get some of your little sweetener here. I would say 1 packet, maybe 2, but for me, it's gonna be 1/2 a teaspoon. Bam, right on top. That might be copyrighted. I shouldn't do the whole bam thing. I come up with my own thing. Watch this. Vanilla extract. You're just gonna do a little zing. Zing! Just a little zing! There you go. A zing, that's a new unit of measurement. Get with me. Boom. Next up, your PB2. Open it up, mine might be brand new. Hell yeah it is. Woo! Same thing. 1 teaspoon. Get in there. Bam! Damn it, I did it again. Zing! Our serving of Grace Pro, like I said, just twist and flick. Throw that in there. Take it, twist and flick. Right, you can do that full serving, but for me, art to calf, so I'm just gonna do 1/2 a serving, right? Now, before we move on again, take your little magic wand and lightly mix everything up. Just a little bit, just a little bit. We're not gonna blend it yet. Make sure we don't get anything clumpy, right? Just mix it up. Yeah. All right, so the next step is have an avocado. Okay, I just like to squeeze it onto my little thing here. Just like that. All right, see if I got, got a knife right here, right. Make sure it's nice and cut up into pieces, right? Once it's nice and mushy, good to go, toss that right in there. Yeah, nice. Right. Now, if I'm not mistaken, that is all our ingredients. So I guess what time it is now? It's a blend it on up. So guess what? We're gonna blend it on up and then see what it looks like or how it should look. Now, if you guys wanna see what it looks like right now, it ain't too appetizing, but I promise you, it's gonna taste delicious. I didn't want to bore you guys with my blending because who needs to see that? But check it out. There it is, right there, nice and blended up. Nice and silky smooth. Now watch this. Watch when it goes in. Oh man, look at that, dude. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Not a clump in sight. Woo! Oh, and it fits in here perfectly. It's almost like the measurements are made like that on purpose. But we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Now that it smells so good. Now that it looks nice and smooth, the piece de resistance, like I talked about. Woo! Reddi Whip. Look at this. Oh, Lord. Lord. That just brings a tear to my eye, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. There you have it, is your CHOCO-CADO Muscle Shake. Now go ahead and take your cap. You can gather that on up. Close it on up, and guess what? Ain't no need to shake. No need to shake, no need to rattle and roll. Just open it up and enjoy. Delicious. Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, is it for today. That is how I make my CHOCO-CADO Muscle Shake. Now, you can do it as a post-workout treat, or you can do it as like a miniature meal replacement, you know, but listed after this is going to be the macros for it, and you'll be surprised what they actually are. But if you guys like this recipe, be sure to check it out on soulmentality.com. The description will have everything you need to know. Keep sending me some ideas. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and be sure to let the lion know what you would like him to make in the kitchen. But until next time, happy lifting, Pride. Peace.